When you have a problem with your electronic device, it can be difficult to find someone who will repair it quickly and do a good job. Here at iFixScreens Port Orange Store, we are your one-stop shop for all of your electronic device repair needs. We provide same-day repair services for any type of repair job, including Samsung repair, smartwatch repair, and iPhone repair in Port Orange, Florida. And if you need help with gaming console repairs like Nintendo Switch repairs or Xbox repairs, we've got you covered there too. When your device stops working correctly and you don't know why, the last thing you want is to be stuck with it. But at iFixScreens Port Orange, we've got your back. Our team of highly trained repair experts can fix anything. We'll handle everything from battery replacement to data recovery and even iPhone screen replacement in Port Orange, Florida. We guarantee that a 180-day warranty will cover any parts we install in your device during the repair process. You can choose between walk-in service or mail-in service as needed, whatever works best for your schedule and lifestyle. If you're looking to sell your old device, we offer a fast and easy service that will let you get cash for it in just 5 minutes. Just walk into one of our stores, show us the device you want to sell, and we'll make an offer on the spot. If you're looking for a quick fix that won't break the bank, call us today at 386-310-8823. You can also head on over to our website at www.ifixscreens.com/location/port-orange-fl to learn more about our services. So, if you find yourself with a broken phone or computer, let us know. iFixScreens Port Orange will be happy to help.